Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on sound effects on Carrom Disc Pool. So let's get started. First of all, open the Carrom Disc Pool app on your device. Now tap on the gear icon. Here you can find sound effects option. Toggle on the button besides it. And that's it. This is how you can turn on sound effects on Carrom Disc Pool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.